Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, episode 89. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today you'll learn useful Portuguese for turning a night out into real connections, meeting people at a live gig, complimenting the band, and even finding side gig leads, while improving your habits and confidence as a nomad. Let's get started. Picture this. You're in Lisbon alone at a small fado or samba night. Music is great, but everyone seems to be in groups. One simple sentence can change the whole night. Open a conversation, make a friend, and create a recurring opportunity.
We promise 7 usable lines you can try tonight. Also, a quick intro. We spoke with a Lisbon-based expat musician who built local clients and friendships simply by saying a few things at gigs. I'll share his key tactics as we go.
Section 1. Opening lines. These are low pressure and polite, great for stepping into a group or starting a short conversation. Posso juntar-me a vocês? Posso juntar-me a vocês? Can I join you?
Tip: if someone looks unsure, add só por bocado. Slow, só por bocado. Translation: just for a little while. That lowers pressure and respects their space. Great habit building for safe social practice.
Section 2. Small talk and compliments that build rapport. Compliments are short bridges. They create warmth and open follow-ups.
A band is incredible tonight. Slow. A banda está incrível esta noite. Translation: the band is incredible tonight. Say it with genuine enthusiasm. People respond to authenticity. A sincere compliment can lead to who they are, where they play, and follow-up chances.
Phrase 4. If you want specifics, ask, ¿Cómo se llama a banda? Slow, ¿Cómo se llama a banda? Translation, what's the band called? That opens natural conversation about music, events, and local scenes, the start of recurring practice.
Section 3. Practical moves for generosity and follow-up. These convert a fun night into real connections and sometimes income.
Phrase 5. Offer to buy a round. Say, ¿Posso pagar uma rodada? Slow, posso pagar uma rodada. Translation, can I pay for a round? Use this sparingly and read the group vibe. Generosity signals goodwill, but always stay safe. Keep your drink in sight and know your exit plan.
Phrase 6. Turn one night into recurring practice. Ask, vocês sabem de mais noites assim? Slow. Vocês sabem de mais noites assim? Translation: do you know of more nights like this? This asks for local events and can lead to weekly jams or paid gigs.
Phrase 7. The closer. Posso deixar o meu contato? Slow. Posso deixar o meu contato. Translation, can I leave my contact? Or, vamos tomar café amanhã? Slow. Vamos tomar café amanhã. Translation, shall we grab coffee tomorrow? Confident, brief, and specific invites move things from a single night to something real.
Role-play setup. We'll act out approaching a small group at a live gig. I'll be the nomad approaching. Tiago will play the friendly local. Watch posture. Natural smile, slight lean in, clear voice. Keep physical boundaries respectful. If someone steps back, give space. Olá. Posso juntar-me a vocês? Olá. Posso juntar-me a vocês?
Claro, citei. De onde és?
Sou do estrangeiro e estou a aprender português. A banda está ótima. Como se chamam?
Eles chamam-se Maré Alta. Vens mais vezes? Eles chamam-se Maré Alta. Vens mais vezes?
Ainda não, mas gostaria. Posso deixar o meu contato? Ainda não, mas gostaria. Posso deixar o meu contato?
Claro, manda mensagem. Nos marcamos algo.
Practice action step. Tonight's micro goal, use one opening line and one follow-up. If you're nervous, aim for join a group plus compliment the band. Small wins build confidence and social stamina.
7-day night out checklist. Day 1, pick one venue and plan transport. Day 2, groom, smart casual, clean shoes, neat top. Day 3, practice the 2 opening lines out loud. Day 4, go early and listen, observe group cues. Day 5, offer a compliment. Day 6, ask about other nights. Day 7, exchange contacts or invite for coffee. Always watch your drink and have an exit plan.
Safety and etiquette reminder. Keep interactions light and optional. Respect personal space. Never leave a drink unattended. And use the just for a little while phrase if someone seems uncomfortable. Practice in daytime gatherings first if you're very new.
Course CTA. Want the printable checklist, slow audio recordings of these 7 lines, and 3 bonus phrases for starting a short music-related chat? Join the short module linked in the episode notes. It includes practice exercises you can use right away and a mini workbook to track your 7 nights. Master the language, master your nomad life.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, connect deeper.